Public Speaking, made by Dr. Captain Virendra Singh. Introduction. Personality of an individual is everything. The first impression is the last impression. So, it is necessary for an individual to present himself in such a manner so that it may last an impact on the others. In order to reach till that stage, one must work in this affair of enhancement of his skills, which are leadership, character, values, and ethics, and much more. Meaning, public speaking, also known as oratory or oration, is the process or act of performing a speech to a live audience. It is common understood as formal, face-to-face speaking of a single person to a group of listeners. Due to evolution of public speaking, it is modernly viewed as any form of speaking between an audience and the speaker. History. Public speaking was introduced in Rome and Greece. Prominent thinkers from these lands influenced the development and evolutionary history of public speaking. Number 1. Greece. Although there is evidence of public speech training in ancient Egypt, the first known piece on oratory written over 2000 years ago. Aristotle was one who first recorded the teachers of oratory to use definitive rules and models. The classic antiquity work written by the ancient Greeks capture the way they taught and developed the art of public speaking thousands of years ago. In classic Greek and Rome, rhetoric was the main component of speech delivery. Number second, Rome. In the political rise of Roman public, Roman orators copied and modified the ancient Greek techniques of public speaking. The Latin style of rhetoric was heavily influenced by Cicero and involved a strong emphasis on a broad education in all areas of humanistic study. Historical speeches. Here are some of the best known examples of strong public speaking are still studied years after their delivery. Among these examples are Pericles' funeral oration, Gettysburg Address, And I Have Women, I Have a Dream. Fears. While most people fear public speaking, there are some very simple ways to get around it. Practice, practice, and practice. By practicing, you get around the reason for the fear, saying something awkward or making a mistake in front of people. Before presentation, there are some things which you must keep in mind. Preparation is key. Figure out thesis for your paper, write down the structure for your presentation, introduction, body and conclusion. Read it out loud, edit your writing, put it on presentation, and most important, practice again. Basics of public speaking. Number 1. Know your topics. You must be expert of the topic you have chosen. Nobody in the room knows more than you, so make sure that you know it thoroughly so you can teach others. Number 2. Know your audience. What do they find funny? What are they interested in? What would you like to hear about your topic? Number 3. Find a hook. A hook is an interesting, funny, or creative beginning to your presentation. The first 30 seconds of a presentation are very important, so a good hook will keep your audience focused. Number 4. Be yourself. If you try to do what your friends would do, you will mess up. Just be yourself and you will feel the most comfortable. Number 5. Stay on point. Don't discuss topics that are not important to your presentation. They will distract your audience and you will lose your focus. Number 6. Don't repeat yourself. Do not repeat to yourself. Repeating a point more than a few times sounds as if you don't have anything else to say. So avoid repetition. Confidence. Project a calm and confident tone while speaking. You are the expert on your topic, so you have nothing to worry about. Audience member can tell when you are nervous or don't know what you are talking about. Confidence can be gained through good preparation and effective practicing. Here are some basic tips. Number 1. Attitude is everything. Number 2. Preparation is key. Number 3. Confidence comes from practice. Number 4. Make sure how to pronounce names. Number 5. Just like the introduction, have a strong message the audience can take away. Number 6. Avoid repetition. Number 7. Action statement make good conclusion. Number 8. The use of gestures. Number 9. Control of the voice. Number 10. Vocabulary and a good word choice. Number 11. Using humor. Number 12. Developing a relationship with the audience. And last but not the least, number 13. Effective use of questions. All these tips are necessary for a good public presentation. Modern methods being used for public presentation. Number 1. Technology. New technology has also opened different forms of public speaking that are non-traditional, such as TED Talks. TED Talks are the conferences that are broadcasted globally. This form of public speaking has created a wider audience both physically and virtually.
हेलो। हाँ विनू भाई।
YouTube is another platform that allows
क्या
public
चाहिए?
speaking to reach a large audience. On YouTube, people can post videos of themselves. Audience are able to watch these videos for all type of purposes. Public speakers may use audience response system. For large assemblies, the speakers will usually speak with the aid of public address system or
नहीं
microphones
चेतन लेके गया
and
था, चेतन
loudspeakers.
लेके गए। हाँ 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 हाँ
Number second,
हाँ हाँ
telecommunication.
हाँ, वो
Telecommunication and video
हाँ हाँ हाँ
conferencing are also forms of public speaking.
हाँ हेलो।
This technology is helpful for large conference
हाँ हाँ
meeting and face-to-face
हाँ हाँ
communication between the parties.
कह दी अपने अपने वाला वो ले गया था, क्या नाम क्या उसका, चेतन चेतन ने फिर हमें ये दिया था बदले में।
Conclusion. Personality is the only thing which reflects an individual. Public speaking is yet
वो तो
another
चेक कर लिया।
important aspect of personality. By following the
वो
basic
तो है ही नहीं
key
ना उसका।
instructions, one can master his skills and can become a good orator. Just remain stick to the points without any confusion. Raise the
हाँ
topic of relevance
ये बात
which
सही है।
you have knowledge of. It is not easy to address a large public,
हाँ
but one
हाँ
can master this only
हाँ
with
ये
the
तो
help of practice.
हाँ हाँ कोई नहीं। हाँ सही। 18 60 दोनों को देने हैं ना।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ठीक है
जय
ठीक है,
हिंद।
अलग अलग मतलब पूरे टोटल होके 4,000 3,000 कुछ